Welcome to our YouTube channel, Rainbow Kids World. So today we are at Souvenir Hill where you can find gold, but it's a 90% chance of you not finding gold, I think. Real gold. Yeah, real gold. So let's get started.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Thank you so very much. You're a popular one.
Thank you, I am.
You need to salute to the colonel.
Please.
It's looked like an ancient Australia, right?
Not an ancient Australia like the when these black and white cameras went red.
Yeah, so that's called ancient.
Okay.
You know what? These are like the horse saddlers in the olden times.
Oh yeah, like you need those to sit on the horses and
Correct.
to control the horse. So what's in the back of the house?
Let's figure out. Oh, I think this is where they clean up things.
So the force will get crushed. And there there's 5 ginormous panels channel up, weighing 480 kilo feet. The cam lifts them up, and the can cut off, so they can pull down gradually. There's a pattern to get the most agitation out of it. And the water they would have used would have been pumped out the bottom, so it would have been shifted and horrible and stuff. That comes into effect later on. The second step on the end of the machine is mesh. that decides the size. So it won't come out unless it's that size. Runs out under here. That's copper. That would have been locked because copper was worth a fortune then, still is. And that would have been polished and they put mercury on it. We don't use mercury for the oven. And then it would get caught in this mercury trap, which is that. So twice a day they scoop out the gold, the sand gets the gold, and twice a day. We do it every 2 weeks. Then the lighter sand would continue on and wash over the blankets, which is corduroy. And in theory, the gold specks would get caught in the groove. And then you take it over to that tub over there, wash it out, and sand it out.
Guys, we're going to do a gold show where it shows how gold is actually made like these.
T-shirt teams, think past you.
We're going to go up to about 1,200. And that will allow me a little bit of extra time. About 15 seconds. About 15 seconds. Alright.
This is good. They keep it's good.
A little bit of slag at the bottom. We finally got it out. And the gold loses temperature, as I said, really, really quickly. That's already solid. In a matter of seconds, we've dropped 300 degrees already. To a point where we're no longer 1200 degrees, we're about 900. Now 900 is below its melting point. So, we're absolutely solid. But still incredibly hot. Now if you were to touch that with your fingers, those 900 degrees would be transferred straight to your fingers. And you would be burnt straight away. We cool really quickly when we can, when it's inside the mould, because it can touch the mould and get rid of that heat. Now we're outside the mould, we're going to take about 3 hours to cool down. We haven't got 3 hours. So we can speed this process up. A little bit of time in the water will allow that gold to get rid of some of that heat. And that's already safe enough to pick up. The end result? When you melt down all the little pieces of gold, they join together, you end up with one piece of gold. Now normally, this would be 3 kilos of it. But in there, there's probably $50,000 worth of gold. So this is probably, I don't know, $250,000 worth of gold. Normally 300. Pure gold now. Absolutely the real thing.
This material, you show me this, and first shake it like this. You don't want the water coming out. You just want to
Shake it, Adi.
shake it like this. The gold will go to the bottom, and then just gently tip it out, fill it up, and every time you do this, some of the stones are falling out. Well, there's all little bits of gold in here. Alright, fill it up again, give it another shake.